Okay, so can you think of a number between 1 and 10?
Okay.
Okay. Can you think of another number between 1 and 10? How many apples did Daddy have altogether?
Okay, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, it's 8.
You think it's 8?
Yes.
Okay, so what I would do is I would put the 1 more together like this, and then I would count. 1, 2, 3, 4.
It's 10.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So do you
see, I was right. It was 10.
You were right. So do you see why Daddy buys 5 lollipops? How many did I buy all together?
No, I want to do it by myself.
Okay, you can do it by yourself. Let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
You got 10?
Yes, 10.
Can we count it together? Because I have a feeling that you were counting it very quickly. So let's double check. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
So was the answer 10? Was it 10?
No!
It was 13. Irie went to the shop. She bought 7 Kit Kats. How many?
7.
Then she walked to another aisle and she bought 5 lollipops. Or should I say, how many did she buy all together? What would you do?
It'll be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's 12.
Okay, good job. Well done, good counting. Okay, fantastic.